Welcome back to another video, guys. It's episode 2 of our Road to £5,000 Profit series. We are back at a job. We done that one, which was last week's episode, I believe. We are doing this one today, the one across the road. So there's a little bit more roof on this one and sort of slightly more mossy at the top. Next door's not having theirs done. They decided they didn't want it done. But I think once they see the difference this one makes, they might give us a call. That's the side, and we are just starting round the back due to there being a conservatory, so Dan can start tidying that up. But a fairly straightforward job. We've just got to finish getting set up, set the pressure, and then we are good to go. So I'll catch you when we get started. See you in a second. I appreciate that some of you prefer the natural sounds of the pressure washer, but with a roof clean you can't really do that. It doesn't work that way. Also, these clips are a lot more sped up than the standard like driveway and patio cleaning ones, so there is some music. Obviously you can just mute the music if you don't like it. It is music from the majority of the whole video, and then obviously the bit at the end. So yeah, just so you guys know in advance, but I hope you enjoy watching. We noticed recently that only a small percentage of our viewers actually subscribe to our channel, so if you do like the content, please consider subscribing, guys. It's free and it takes half a second. Right, so that is us all done, guys. We're just changing the battery. Battery was about to die, but we are all finished. I don't know if you can see in the background there, the roof has come up beautifully. I'll quickly show you around, and then what we'll do is we'll jump over to the garage and we'll go through what we charged, the costs involved, and get it added to our new spreadsheet. Still got a little bit of tidying up to do, just rinsing down. Got to rinse down all of this, make sure it's all tidy. But yeah, very happy with that. I'll throw in a little drone shot at the end as well, just because we've got that now. And yeah, I'll catch you over in the garage with the spreadsheet shortly. Right, here we are in the garage. We actually picked up the keys for our new warehouse this week, but there's a fair bit of work that he's doing down there. So hopefully next video, maybe the video after, you might even see us down there instead of in the garage. I do want to film a couple of bits in there, but to get on to what we charged for this job. So we'll head over to the spreadsheet and we'll talk you through it all. Bear with us. So as some of you already know, we keep it nice and simple over here at Kirbside. So for roof cleaning, and for a standard clean that this job was, we charge £10 per square metre. The roof was a little bit bigger than the one last time because the other one had dormers. It was 65 square metres, so we charged £650. The costs are relatively the same as the job before. So again, we're only talking basic costs. We're not talking tax, insurance, cost of materials, wear and tear, things like that. It is simply just the costs we incurred on the job, just for a bit of fun. So yeah, we're looking at £520 profit for the job, which puts us at £840 for the two jobs, and we are well on our way to the 5,000 profit mark that we're looking for. So hopefully in the next one we can bump that up, and we'll catch you soon, guys. Enjoy watching.